Hi, today in front of me Alcatel 3T10 and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first let's open the Gmail application and after that click on the right upper corner. Here we can see that we're logging in Gmail account, and if you want to log out from Gmail account in Gmail app, we should first log out from Google account on our device. And just to do that, we should click Manage Accounts on this device, click to this account and tap here to remove account. Then confirm your action by click to remove account again. After that, go back again to the application. Let's just refresh it. And we can see that we successfully logged out also from Gmail app. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.